Joe from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Fiat 500 here on a 2014 plate. Now this is what it looks like if you've got something like this with the round lights, the daytime running lights on the bottom, and you want to replace the bulb or anything on this. I'll show you how it's done. What we're replacing on this is an indicator bulb, which there's a warning on saying that the right side indicator isn't working. Now the bulb you need is an RB585. So that's the bulb you need. If you want to find one of these, it'll be in the link in the description as well, so do check it out. Now before I do anything, I'm just going to show you the hazards on. Now as you can see, that one there is not working, and the orange bulb on this side is working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the hazards back off, and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. So this is the top cover right here we need to remove. So once I remove this cover, if you did want to do a main dip bulb, that's right in there as well. So it's easy to remove. So you push the clip in and then pull the whole thing out, and it's a H7 bulb. So I'm not replacing this. I'm going to leave that as it is. So put the cover back on. Now I'm doing the indicator bulb, which is the top one here. I wedge my fingers in and then pull the bulb out. It's a bit awkward. There we go. I turned it to my left and then pull the whole thing out. Now that's the bulb we're doing. Here's a capless orange bulb. I've got the new one right here in my hand, so we'll replace the new one. Put the new one in. Be only one way it would go in as well. So slot the bulb back in position, and then to my right, you'll hear it click. Here we go, that's clicked in. I'm going to put the cover back on. We're just going to check, make sure it's working. As you can see there now, that's working, that there is working, and the sides are working, and the backs are working as well. Now, that's all done for this model. If there is anything else you need to know, do comment us below, and there is a playlist for Fiat, so if you're looking for something else like the brake lights and stuff like that, it'll be in the playlist. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and